Good morning, students. Last class we completed part 2. Now let's see part 3, page number 83. I call upon all the governments, intergovernmental agencies, businesses, faith leaders, workers, teachers, and NGOs, and each one of us to put on and to all forms of violence against children, okay, slavery, trafficking, child marriages, child labor, sexual abuse, and illiteracy. These things have no place in any civilized society. Now listen again. Kailash Satyarthi call upon all the governments, intergovernmental agencies, businesses, faith leaders, workers, teachers, and NGOs, and each one of us to put an end to all forms of violence against children. Okay, he called everyone. Why? To all forms of violence against children. You stop violence against children. He said slavery, trafficking, okay, kidnap, child marriages, child labor, sexual abuse. Abuse means cruel or violent treatment. And illiteracy, no education. These things have no place in any civilized society. Now see next para. Friends, we can do this. Governments must make child friendly policies. Okay, he also suggests governments must make child friendly policies and invest in education and young people. Businesses must be more responsible, accountable, and open to innovative partnerships. Innovative means new methods of partnerships. Intergovernmental agencies must work together to accelerate action. Global civil society must rise above the business as well as and fragmented agendas. Okay, business as usual and fragmented agendas. Faith leaders and institutions and all of us must stand with our children. Fragmented agenda means fragmented means split up or disunified, and agenda means a plan of things to be done to solve a problem. Again he remind everyone all governments must make child friendly policies and invest in education and young people. Businesses must be more responsible. Okay, he suggested. Okay, now see next para. We must be bold, we must be ambitious, and we must have the will. We must keep our promises. Over 50 years ago, on the first day of my school, I met a cobbler boy, my age, sitting outside the gate of my school. See, 50 years ago, on the first day of my school, means Kailash Satyarthi school, that time Kailash Satyarthi met a cobbler boy, one who meant shoes. Okay, cobbler means cobbler boy. My age means same Kailash Satyarthi's age, sitting outside the gate of my school. I asked my teachers, why is he working outside? Immediately Kailash Satyarthi asked his teachers, why he working outside? Why is he not with us in the school? My teacher said no answer. Teacher not given any answer. One day I gathered the courage. One day Kailash Satyarthi gathered the courage to ask the boy's father. He said, sir, I have never thought about it. We are born to work. That time his father said, that cobbler boy's father said, I have never thought about it. We are born to work. His answer made me angry. It still makes me angry. Okay, that cobbler boy's father's answer still made him angry. Now see next para. As a child, I had a vision of tomorrow. A vision of that cobbler boy sitting with me in my classroom. Now that tomorrow has become today. I am today and you are today. Today, it is time for every child to have a right to life, right to freedom, right to health, right to education, right to safety, right to dignity, right to equality, and right to peace. Okay, so that's why he written today means in capital letter he written. Okay, today beyond the darkness I see the smiling faces of our children in the blinking stars. Today, in every wave of every ocean, I see my children are playing and dancing. Today, in every plant, in now see page number, next page number 84. Every tree and mountain, I see our children growing freely with dignity. Means each and everything you can see children growing freely with dignity. Friends, I want you to see and feel this today inside you. My dear sisters and brothers, as I said, many interesting things are happening today. May I please request you to put your hand close to your heart. Everyone, put your hand close to your heart. Close your eyes and feel the child inside you. Okay, you just close your eyes and you feel the child inside you. I am sure you can. Now listen to that child. Listen, please. Today, I seize thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Nelson Mandelas, and Martin Luther Kings calling on us. Let us democratize knowledge. Let us universalize justice. Together, let us globalize compassion. I call upon you in this room and all across the world. I call for a march from exploitation to education. Okay, he call everyone march towards exploitation to education. Okay, exploitation means torturing to education. Okay, I call for a march from poverty to shared prosperity. Poverty to shared prosperity. Everywhere wealth, okay, prospers. A march from slavery to liberty, okay, bondage to freedom, and a march from violence to peace, okay, violence to peace. Let us march from ignorance to awakening. Let us march from darkness to light. Let us march from mortality to divinity. Let us march means you call each and every one, you gather and you remove child labor. Okay, you all each and every one march together and you remove slavery to liberty. Give everyone freedom and violence to peace and ignorance to awakening and darkness to light and mortality to divinity. Okay, now see page number 83. Here one question given. See, what was the response of the boy's father? What was Satyarthi's reaction to it? See, in front of that question, I met a cobbler boy. You remove that I and write Kailas Satyarthi. Dash 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 dash. Till his answer made me angry. Okay. And one more question given. What is your vision of tomorrow? Okay. See, in front of that question, as a child, Kailas Satyarthi, you remove I, okay, had a vision of tomorrow. Every child had the right to education. A vision of that cobbler boy sitting with Kailas Satyarthi in his classroom, till classroom, okay, answer. And one more question given. What rights should every child have in our times? See, in front of that question, second last para, every child to have a right to life, dash 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 dash, till peace, right to peace, okay. And question number, next page number 84, here one more question given. What does Mr. Satyarthi request the listener? Okay, see here last, second last para. I call for a march from poverty to shared prosperity, a march from slavery to liberty, and a march from violence to peace. Let us march till mortality to divinity. And one more question given. According to Mr. Satyarthi, who are calling for us? Answer. According to Mr. Satyarthi, thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Nelson Mandelas and Martin Luther Kings calling on us. Thank you.